Today we are gonna show you 2 kinds of firecrackers. This is a firecracker, and this is the firecracker with fuse. Let's open it. Let's see the next one. This one don't have fuse. Now you can see what's inside of the firecrackers, and I want to tell you the price of the raw materials have increased a lot. And even though the factory is very hard to buy those powders, if you want to place order, please do it now, because after a few weeks the price will rise a lot. This is Rina from SuperFireworks. See you next time.